2, 3, 4. Gotta open up the door. 5, 6, 7, 8. Lay down my Crocs straight. 7, 8, 9, 10. Going to see the girls and hens. Where have you been all morning? That was the weirdest intro I've ever done. I was like, hey, Drink, you just film me? And he was like, sure thing. Oh, my word, you have a tick on your eye. Ow, that looks like it hurt. Well, not on his eye. Like on his... I don't know, maybe. Well, we were supposed to see the chickens, not... 1, 2, 3, 4. Gotta open up the door. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open up the glass door. 5, 6, 7, 8. Get my Crocs, lay them straight. 9 and 10. Going to see the chicken hen. Oh, yeah. Sorry. Please don't kill me. Sorry. We gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta go. I'm running. I'm running. Chicken. What?
Don't do that, okay?
Do what?
Film me. I don't want to film.
Why? Shut it up. What's up, girl? What are you doing? Here are the other ones. Huh? What?
Get all wet and crummy this morning. Feet all soaking wet?
No, it's not wet.
Yeah, I know.
Does this look wet to you?
Almost.
This is dry.
No eggs.
No eggs?
We haven't had any eggs.
No eggs. No eggs.
No eggs. Come on, guys. And you ought to have your jackets on. And your bare feet.
I don't have my bare feet. Got my Crockies. Crockies.